Chelsea, sound of the city, in association with Edgar's.
The sound of Cape Town like the mother city has never had it before. Louise Cover, Dirty Skirts, Arno Customs, DJ Ready D featuring the Beat Bangers, La Bella Dunny, Crushed and Sorted, Jazz All Stars featuring Errol Dyers, Robbie Johnson, Gavin Minter, Winston Mankunku, Freshly Crowned.
One night only.
It's all about developing the talent and giving them an opportunity to be exposed to the public, and at a high standard.
Finally, a show is putting the amount of energy, sound quality, organisation that they do for when an international artist comes over.
No, it's not that easy to just back it all away. And it's not that easy. No, it's not that easy to just let it all drift away.
Sound of the city.
You can do your best, settle down to the start, pick your fence. Oh, 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 oh. Or you can rise up, change your times, let it all out. Oh, 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 oh. It's the headlights of the cars in the night can burst you through. As the years and years pass by, I discovered the truth.
Sound of the city, your city in concert.
And what is great about it is that it's not heard by a bunch of international artists, and that it is local artists.
Say you love me with your whole heart seems to fall apart. You say you love me with your whole heart seems to break it up.
So this is the first time we're going to step onto a mainstream platform and actually give people an insight into what goes on.
South Africa represented.
To have so many different genres on one stage, you know, in one city, it's exciting.
We are on the coast, maybe the sea air makes us sound different.
We try to incorporate things from all over.
Chelsea, sound of the city.